need to flip it around now. Cause really, cause I got the.
Is it even long enough? Oh, you really are flipping it around.
Yeah.
How are you gonna get it over here?
I haven't gotten that far yet.
No, go up a little bit, right?
Yeah, I will. But I need to get the tape because I can't hold it because it attaches to the.
You can't put it on the wait, before you tape it. One up. Look at
Why?
look at.
Why do I want to do one up?
Because it looks bad there.
Does it look bad there, Lene?
Doesn't it look bad there, Lene?
I don't know.
Go up. Yes, on that.
So when the wind catches it, it's gonna pull it all up.
I'm so impressed with this teamwork.
With what?
This teamwork, it's amazing.
This is too high.
I think you need a taller ladder.
We should have decorated it.
Here, give me pieces of tape.
Okay.
You can let it go. It's not gonna.
We should have put glitter on it.
Glitter, absolutely. You could still take some glitter glue along the edge of the scallop.
Glitter glue.
Hey, that's a viable decorating choice.
Oh my gosh.
No one's ever gonna get this down. Oh no, the tape's gonna get all ugly.
Debbie's suggesting that you use binder clips to strap it to the top edge of the window.
Is it gonna stay?
Yeah, I
Need
think it
another
will.
tape?
Oh, now he's got to move. How's it going to hold it and move at the same time?
Yeah,
Why don't
that's
you just
the-
walk along the window ledge?
All right.
OMG.